Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I have a delivery. As you can see, it's not huge. I mean, it's not tiny, but it's not a mega yarn haul. It's mostly, well, all the same kind of stuff, but I decided that I needed some more in my life. Well, firstly, I needed to finish the scarf that I've made for Gemma, which is here. I do have a tutorial for this. I made myself one, and with the leftover yarn thought I'd make some for Gemma, and I knew there wasn't enough, so I placed an order for some, and here it is. I love this stuff. It is just so gorgeous. Look at that. It's called Underwater Rainbow, and it is the Stylecraft Cabaret double knitting, which we call it, you know, short for that is DK. Someone asked me what DK meant. That's what it is. It's a 3-weight yarn in the US, or a double knitting, otherwise known as DK. So I did take the opportunity to get some more of this because, you know, I've got a nice scarf made with this now, so it would be nice to have some gloves to match perhaps, and maybe even a hat if I feel so inclined. So I got another one. And then I bought some more of this one because I just love it. Oh, it's gone a bit funky, that one. Let's see if there's another one in here that looks a bit better than that. This one, I absolutely love this. This one is called Midnight Hours, and I just love those colours together. So, excuse me, I did buy some more of that because I do have a fair amount of it anyway, but I wanted to make something quite substantial. Likewise, I bought some more Lagoon, and I know I had a fair amount of Lagoon, but what I wanted was equal amounts of Lagoon and Midnight Hours, so I did buy that. That's mostly what's in here, sort of more of this. I think I've really started to get what's at the bottom of their shelves, because you get the odd one that's perfectly intact, and then you get a few that's kind of not. But I did order. This doesn't bode well, does it? We got one. Here it is. Naked, not dressed. So obviously the yarn band broke. See what I mean? I think I must be getting what's left on their shelving. This is all beautiful stuff, I tell you. Right, I've got another one of those. See, little bits coming out, but I'll forgive them because it's just so gorgeous. It's not their fault the way it's wound. It's hard to store stuff like that. So I've got a fair few of those. How many did I get? Oh, it's all falling off. Let me just sort it out. So I've got 1, 2, 3, including the naked Lagoon. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the Midnight Hours. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of Underwater Rainbow, maybe 5. I'm not sure if I put one over there, but I bought a new colour, so I really kind of got a bit intrigued by what it looked like on the shelf, on the, you know, on the website shelf. Oh, and another one of those. So I didn't think I had 4 of those. I bought 3 of these, and I always regret 3. But then again, 3 is enough for a scarf and gloves. But I just wanted to see what this came up like. So remember then, we have Midnight Hours, which just astonishingly gorgeous. Lagoon and Underwater Rainbow. All absolutely beautiful. All Stylecraft Cabaret. So I'll give you the details on them just so that we can get that out of the way. Now this one, the Underwater Rainbow, is shade 1095, and it does have a free pattern on there, which is a 2-ball project, little shawlette sort of thing. I don't know if it's knitted. I've not had a look. Mind you, I guess I could, because we've got a naked yarn band, don't we? Let's see. Knit. That's a knitting pattern. So that was this one I was looking at. So I think for a 3-way, it is quite thin. That's the only thing. It's quite fine. So I did use a 450 crochet hook, but you could use a 4 for this and it would be nice. It is on the thin side of 3 weight. It's 98% premium acrylic and 2% polyester. You get 230 meters or 251 yards in these balls. All of that will be the same regardless of which one it is, because I've only got this. Now this one is called Lagoon, and the number for Lagoon, if you put it up the right way, I always manage to get them upside down, is 3580. That's the number of Lagoon. Same project on the yarn band, so if you knit, that's fantastic. If you don't, well. And they are all 100 gram balls. So that's these two. And the Midnight Hours, if you're interested in that one, it's number 2988. All of the gubbins exactly the same project on the yarn band, but those are the 3 that I've had before, and I love them. I love them all. Then I saw this one and I thought, you know what, I might just give this one a go. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Wow, beautiful. So what have we got here? This one is called Golden Sunset, and it's number 3581. Same thingy on the same project. You think they'd alternate it, wouldn't you? Give you a few other little bits and bobs to do, but it's exactly the same info. But look at that, isn't it beautiful? So I thought, you know, inject a little bit more snazzy colours in. It might but 3, why did I get 3? What possessed me not to just up it to 4 or 5? Because, you know, if I want to do something with them, I'm just going to go back and order again, aren't I? I never learn, but, you know, it is enough for a scarf and gloves when all said and done, or a scarf and hat, or a pocket shawl, maybe a small one. Anyway, isn't it lovely? I just thought I'd try it out, because these colours are just beautiful. It's got kind of the colours that remind me of Midnight Hours, but then where you have the underwater rainbow and you get the light colour, it's a very pale sort of dreamy colours, whereas this one is pow, it's in your face, but wow, it is lovely. And it's got this lovely deep colour. As soon as I saw it, I thought, I've got to give it a try. It doesn't look so nice that way, does it? Looks like... No, I won't say it. I won't say it. I won't say it. A yarny butthole. That's what I was going to say. Sorry. I do apologise for lowering the tone, but there you go. Isn't it gorgeous? This lifts it back up again. Lifts it back up. But yeah, that's my little haul. And it was a bit odd because I ordered this from Deramores, and I got an email on Sunday saying they were going to deliver from Hermes, had my parcel and would be delivering it between 6 and 8 on Sunday, which was very quick and I thought was very odd, but at least they had it at Hermes. Then all of a sudden I got another email saying, oops, sorry, there's a delay with your order, so it won't be delivered, and we will email you tomorrow to let you know when it will come in. Only I didn't get an email. It just arrived. So I guess, you know, they're all a bit short of staff, maybe. The pandemic's like playing havoc with their systems, whatever. But at least I have it. And it is beautiful. I'm so glad I thought I'd try this one. It's gonna, it's almost kind of like a beige. It comes like vibrant orange and yellow, and then into this kind of almost beige. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm going to regret only getting 3. I know it. I just know it. But isn't it lovely? So thanks for watching. And stay safe. Take care. And I will see you soon. And on the next one. So bye for now. Oh, before I go, just to let you know, I've got quite a lot of new tutorials up. So if you want to check those out, please do. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And I will see you very soon. Bye for now.